Well, today was going to be one of those days that me and Callie were going to head out with a couple of our friends for the day and have some relaxed fishing. I was going to leave the camera behind, but right before I left, I decided to run into the house and grab it anyway so I could film the day just in case something awesome happened, and I'm super happy that I did. It was an absolute perfect day to be outside where no tents were needed, and all we could do was be outside in the company of our friends. One of our friends brought his daughter named Summer, and I think me and Callie may have created a future master angler. I have to admit that girl was an absolute legend on the ice. She iced many fish, and I really hope to see her out again real soon. We almost left for the day, but stuck it out for one last hour, and I'm so happy we did, as I was able to see one of the largest walleyes iced I have seen in person. It was a super fun day, and I'm sure the video will show it. So sit back, grab some popcorn, and let's get on the fish. Who's on? Puppy! Oh, she's on. Oh, it's a good one. The water's moving. Wow.
You got a walleye.
Beauty. You probably can't see me, but group's not skunked.
How does this work? She's not supposed to even catch.
Yep. Those are bait buttons. So when you put your bait on the hook, there's a little piece, that little orange thing in there. It's a little piece of rubber, and you put it on the end of your hook, and it keeps your bait from falling off the hook.
Yeah. Oh, here are the boys.
Mike!
You got one? Oh, little sauger.
Just a little guy.
You're blunk.
Good. I like fishing with Val.
Go on and grab the camera. Ready? Just keep an eye on it. Just let it sit there. Ready? Okay, try it. There you go.
Yeah!
Oh, how good is that Starbucks gonna taste, hey? But if I catch the walleye, you wanna hold it?
It's how many fish? It's not walleye, Dad.
Beautiful.
Agreed on the
That
deal.
is a baby walleye, actually, isn't it?
That is a
Your
sauger.
name is Sweet Caroline.
Ooh, nice.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
The good deed, yeah.
I feel it.
Oh!
Oh, you got one? Get out of here.
You got one.
Yeah, here.
Oh, another sauger.
I beat you, Dad. I got another sauger.
Well, you're beating everyone, so.
Here, I'll take this and rebait it.
His name is Tom.
Nice.
Thomas.
Thomas.
The Trade.
Nice.
His name is Thomas the Trade. The guy Thomas.
It's part of the fish train that she's gonna run over Dad with. Making his time. Ah. Boo! No, sorry.
It's okay.
That's a nice fish.
The best Santos right here.
Right here.
That's a beauty. That's a really nice looking fish, man. You think your dad did okay?
Should I keep it?
No.
Okay.
Put it back.
All right.
And see ya.
No.
That's it for this spot. We gotta go help a fellow angler out. See if we can find him.
Here he goes.
That's how you tournament finish.
That's how you set another 10,000.
Did you get it?
Oh, yeah!
Oh, it's small.
It's still a fish.
Oh, sick.
I'm driving, I can see.
That's why you rush so quick.
I know, I'm always
guy's always on his game. Always. We can't say you're...
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
There you go.
Oh, there's two there.
I won't get down there in time, I don't think.
Oh, right on him.
Here you go, Summer. You ready? Here you go. Grab it. That's a good one.
Just slowly.
Slow down.
Okay, stop reeling. Just hold it. That's a good one.
Yeah. That a girl. That's your fish.
No.
You want to hold it? You want to put the rod down?
Here, I'll take this.
I'll come behind you.
How do I hold it?
Come this way. Hold the back tail there. Just like this, yeah. Just like that, yeah. There you go.
1, 2, 3. And do it
Now turn it sideways.
Oh, that's a big one.
I want
Mike,
to get
grab
up.
the bump board. Do you want to put a minnow on this rod? There's another one down there.
2.5.
Nice.
I want the butt.
Not touched yet.
Yeah.
Summer's fish. It's going back.
Very nice.
Here's the bump. That a girl.
Very nice.
Beauty.
There's another one. There's another one. Hold on.
Don't let her reel. It'll be okay. Just keep her reeling.
Oh, God.
Yeah, see how you can't stop. Like just when you reel, just hand her and she can reel. That's okay, we'll do it again.
Yeah. Try again.
No, it's still on there.
Oh, it's on?
Yeah. Okay, step forward.
Still on there. Nope.
Nope, this one's littler. That's a walleye.
That's a walleye too. Oh gosh. Got it.
Got another walleye.
That's another fish. And 1, 2, 3. Let's grab a couple. There you go.
Perfect.
Couples
I caught you walleye, Papa. And I am lucky.
How good is that Starbucks gonna be?
Really good. And Papa lost the bet.
Mike, fish.
Summer, you ready?
Oh,
Summer,
missed it.
Summer. You ready? Here you go. Okay, go. Got a girl. Now go slow. Yeah. She's got another one.
Nice. There you go.
Beauty. She just said, hey, Uncle Jeremy, do you want to know what it's like to feel a fish? Oh, Summer. And boom. Eat it.
Oh, no.
Let go.
Okay, let go.
You let go.
Let's see if I can get him.
Oh, there's another one up there. I'm gonna get it. Ready?
I
You ready,
think he
Summer?
stole my minnow.
Ready, Summer? I'm gonna get it for you. No, he missed it. He missed it.
Jeremy needs sharper hooks.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, here you go.
That's a good one.
Very nice.
That'll be a good one. We'll shut the mouth. Yeah, we'll call her 21. That's 21. What?
Lala.
That girl. Bam. She's killing it. She's killing it. And of course today, pretty basic. Jig and minnow on a frostbite meathead. All thanks to the frostbite meathead.
This doesn't want to take blame for losing it now.
Is it?
Oh,
Oh, there we go. Oh! Wow. Wow.
Look how small he is.
Let's
Callie,
see
bring the
this.
bump board. Oh, you got one, never mind. That is a fatty. Look at
Oh,
that
that's
thing.
huge.
I'll get a picture for you too.
Oh, you got one too.
Nice. That's a fat fish, man.
Nobody's skunk.
That is a fat fish. That's awesome.
That's the active target, man.
Nice.
Oh, you got one. Jeff got one.
Jeff's. Sorry for the shaky video. I don't have my my stabilization on this camera here, so it's a little janky.
Oh, that was a flurry. What was it, four and like?
That looks like a white fish.
That doesn't look like a goldeye.
Let's go see what this thing is. Or is it tulipy?
Maybe a tulipy? Cisco?
No, that's a tulipy. That looks like a tulipy.
I thought whitefish have almost like a sucker.
Yeah, almost like a sucker mouth on them. You guys let me know in the comments what you think that is. I think it's a tulipy. Summer, come here. Summer, come here. Lift up her rod. Lift up, just a little bit. Lift it, there you go. You ready? Oh, he's going on you. Go drop down a bit. There you go, lift up. Ready? He bite it? Oh, he had it. Try it again. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is, he's coming back to you. Ready? Just keep doing what you're doing. Once you feel it. Yeah. You can move a little bit closer to the hole. There you go. Now lift up a bit. Lift up. A little bit more. A little quicker. Okay, yeah, keep doing that. Keep doing exactly what you're doing. Lift up a little bit more. Keep going. Reel a little bit. Oh, he's turning around. Oh, there's one on the bottom too. Keep doing that. You're gonna get him yet. Just keep. You'll come yet. There you go. There you go. That's a legit all fish, right from start to finish.
It's a walleye.
Atta girl.
That one's almost blue on top.
Yeah. This one might squirm a little bit, but they're actually behaving very nice for you.
Yeah.
Oh, of course.
Oh, came bit it pretty quick. Or
It did, it missed it. It's not gonna bite, that's why I'm not.
Summer would get it to bite.
Oh!
23.
Yeah,
Beautiful 23.
23.
Doesn't matter how many, it's just that one. This spot feels like a 30-inch spot. There's one around here somewhere.
Get down there, still down there.
Where?
He's in the dead zone. Right there.
We'll see if he gets in here. Ready? Here you go. Ready? And he's gonna bite it. Feel it. Lift up a bit. A little bit more. Reel in a little bit more. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Atta girl. There you go. That's a good sized one.
You take note, Jeremy, on how she did it?
She just got another one.
I'll get a rag for you right away. Another beautiful fish. There, show the camera. Yeah, doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
I'm so used to catching fish, I can do a day off.
Oh, settle down.
Everyone's just, yeah. That's a walleye.
Okay, you ready? Oh, keep reeling. I think he's still there.
Stop it.
Show the camera. Beautiful. You want to catch it? Here you go. Ready? Pull up. Now that's a set. Atta girl. That's how you ice a fish.
Yeah.
Oh, little one. You ready? He's almost at the top of the hole, but there you go. Oh, yeah! Oh, it's too small to eat. This is gonna be your first burbot.
I got a burbot.
Yeah, I want him a little bit. Okay, you want to hold this thing?
No.
Are you sure? You want to feel him?
Screamy.
He's very squirmy. They're very muscly.
They have no teeth. Oh, is that gross?
See, look. Remember when I was talking about barbels? That's a barbel.
Oh. He's a mustache.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aren't
You just
they
want to
weird?
try feel it?
Look
Like,
at how, like the shape of their tail.
yeah.
It looks like an eel.
Yeah. He's got like a half catfish, half eel kind of thing. They're so
Isn't that
weird.
cool?
They look funny.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Wouldn't be a video without ending it with a burbot. We wanted one. This one's a little bit too small for me to eat. Too small. It's gonna go back. What's its name? Burby. Done.
Bye, burbot.
Well, it's getting close to the end of the day. Like, thank you guys all very much for watching. And the video, I wasn't sure what it was going to be about today. It was just going to be a fun day out, and ended up meeting this absolute beauty. Summer slated on the ice today. And is that your biggest fish you caught that you've ever caught? Nice. That's awesome. So yeah, no, I'd like to thank you guys all for watching. Like I say, stay safe out on the ice. If you can, take a kid out, let them enjoy some outdoors. She had a great time. She was a trooper, running around all day. Are you tired yet? No? Oh God, I'm ready to hit the bed. But there was a couple people that got stuck, as you can see in the video. We had to help someone get unstuck. He was in the tournament. I think him and Nash did, Eric and Nash did really well on the tournament series for themselves as well. But we saw them scouting around. But yeah, like I say, stay safe on the ice. Go help someone out. Pull them out if you can. Bring a kid with you. Make sure they go fishing and make sure they catch some big ones. And until we catch you again, keep it real. Love it. Thank you. Fist bump. Now if we can get you one huge fish, like a 30-inch right now, that'd be great. Oh, and of course, when I turn the camera off, I gotta go get the bum board. I gotta get the bum board. Turn the camera off, and boom, big fish. Holy cow. Jeez.
You want to go in? Nice. Oh my.
Oh, that's a tank.
That's a 30. Oh, settle. Yeah, 30.
30 and a half.
Oh, no. 3/4. There's
33 quarters. It is.
3/4? Yeah, that's
33 quarters. I told you there's a 30 here.
You said that.
Now I gotta put that in the video. I gotta go find out where I made that comment. That was awesome. That's a 33 quarter.
Hold it down a bit and then there you go.
See my elbows?
I can.
Go back home, buddy. Barely through the hole.
Awesome.
Good job, Jeff.
That's awesome.
Now you just.
That's how you do it.
That was an awesome way to end the day. I really wish I would have kept my camera on for what, 5 more seconds? I literally just put it in the truck. But yeah, that is an absolute monster. Great way to end the day.